Welcome to our channel. Activating and using a gift card at IKEA is straightforward for shopping furniture and home goods. Step 1. Purchase an IKEA gift card from the customer service desk, checkout counter, or IKEA's website. Step 2. If buying in store, the cashier will activate the gift card automatically when you complete the purchase transaction. Step 3. Keep your receipt as proof of purchase and to verify the gift card balance loaded onto the card. Step 4. If you received an IKEA gift card as a gift, check if it requires activation by looking at the card or accompanying materials. Step 5. Visit IKEA's website and look for the gift card balance check section to verify your card is active and see the available balance. Step 6. Enter the gift card number and PIN if required to check the balance online. Step 7. When you're ready to use the gift card, shop throughout IKEA for your desired furniture, home accessories, or restaurant items. Step 8. At checkout, inform the cashier you'll be paying with an IKEA gift card before they scan your items. Step 9. Hand your gift card to the cashier or insert it into the payment terminal if self-scanning. Step 10. The cashier will apply the gift card balance to your purchase. If your purchase exceeds the card balance, you can pay the difference with another payment method. Step 11. Keep your gift card if there's remaining balance for future purchases. Your IKEA gift card makes shopping for home furnishings easy and convenient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.